Hi everyone, Aaron here for Zollotech, and today Android 10's first major update has come out to fix stability improvements and security as well. So we know we get these on a monthly basis, and this is for all Pixel devices, the first Pixels all the way to the Pixel 3a, XL, and 3XL. And some other devices are covered as well, such as Android One and also Essential Phone. So those updates should be available. If you have a Pixel and you want to side load it, or you want to get it and you're not seeing it in your software update, I'll link it in the description so you can get it directly from Google and install it that way. Now I've got this running on my Pixel 3 XL, and the build number on this one is QP1A 191.005.007, and this can vary from the device to device. But mostly this is a stability improvement update as well as security, like I said. And the first update has to do with your Wi-Fi signal. And Google has improved Wi-Fi stability in all of the Pixel line, and it may cover the other phones as well, but they don't call them out specifically. So they've fixed Wi-Fi stability. They've also fixed missing notifications if you're using the Pixel stand, but that's specific to the Pixel 3 and 3 XL. Also specific to the 3 and 3 XL is sensor calibration improvements. So whatever that means specifically, it could be the GPS, it could be the gyro, we don't really know. Could even be the proximity sensor. We're not sure, but it just says sensor calibration improvements. So hopefully they're more accurate, I suppose. Now another update that's always welcome is a system stability improvement covering all devices. So maybe you were having issues with your device crashing, or maybe apps were just not working properly. The overall system stability should be improved on all Pixel phones. There's also a fix for memory drain within the user interface. So maybe the phone started to slow down as you scrolled through the app drawer, or maybe you were just scrolling side to side, opening the camera or something along those lines, and it was just really starting to slow down, and then you'd have to reboot it. This should fix that issue if you were having memory drain issues with the user interface. They've also fixed missing heads-up notifications. So if you get a notification that pops up, let you know what's going on. If they weren't showing up, they should be now. Now, for those of you that are using gestures on your Pixel devices or Android One devices with Android 10, they should be improved now. Gesture navigation stability improvements is what Google said. So if you're using the Google Assistant, or maybe just going into your app switcher, or just going into the app drawer in general, it does feel pretty solid. It feels like it's supposed to feel all along. I've had no issues with it whatsoever, and any fix that really just refines things is much appreciated. Now, the final fix that they've put out as far as the system goes is for a boot loop in certain device locale modes. So specifically what mode, I'm not sure, but your phone could potentially be stuck in a boot loop. And if it was, well, hopefully you're able to update this in time to fix that issue. So that should be resolved as well. Now, there are 27 total patches when it comes to security. One of them is very big, and that's why you should install this update as soon as possible, because one of them allowed complete takeover of your device through a remote app that was installed first. So if you installed this app, I don't know what app it is. Google has not said. Hopefully they've removed it from the Play Store, I would imagine. But if you installed that app, someone could remotely root and completely take control of your device. So that's been patched, which is obviously a great thing. And then also, like I said, there are 27 total patches, and the other 26 have to do with media framework, system, Google Play system, kernel components, and then Qualcomm components, both open and closed source. So everything should be much more stable. And the thing I love about Google is they're pretty quick to patch their security holes. So we know they're going to push a patch. If it was really critical right away, they'll push it even earlier. But we know that our Pixel devices should be pretty secure at this point because they're really jumping on that and fixing that. So this is for all devices, like I said, the Pixel devices, the Pixel 3a XL that I have here, as well as the Essential phone. And if you're not seeing it yet and you want to wait for the over the air, just go into your settings, go down to your system, go to advanced, and then go to System Update. You should start to see the update showing up. So if you're not seeing it, just wait for it. And as long as it says October's update is there, you're good to go. But if you'd like to get your hands on this wallpaper, of course, I'll link it in the description as I always do. If you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and hit that notification bell if you'd like to see more of these videos as soon as they're released. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. As always, thanks for watching. This is Aaron. I'll see you next time.